I think everyone loves to have a green, lush green lawn. For me personally, I like to look out and see a well-kept yard, and also so my kids can play. Hi, my name's Dwayne. I've been looking after lawns and gardens for about 25 years. I have 4 sons under 10, so I've come up with a few simple tricks to keep my lawn up to standard. Dethatching is removing the dead material from your lawn, and we do this to keep our lawn healthy and more resilient to weeds, pests and diseases. To dethatch, we just take our rake and literally just pull that dead material out of the grass. And then once this thatch is, you've got the thatch on the surface, you want to remove the thatch off the grass by either mowing or raking it up or even sweeping it up. Lawn aeration is providing oxygen to the grass root zone. So we can do this by punching holes into the turf surface, either with a coring machine or at home we could use a pitchfork. So it's as simple as driving that pitchfork into the surface, approximately 10 centimetres, so we get good aeration into the turf surface. So after aeration, we need to top dress our lawn, and that's just applying a soil over the top of the grass. And this will actually help to smooth out the surface, take out any irregularities, and top dressing also helps with reduction of thatch. I prefer to use a sandy loam that's easy to spread over the grass. Not smothering the grass, but just giving it a nice even coating of soil, and then we can just work that soil into the surface, and yeah, happy days for the grass. So I would recommend lawn renovation when your grass is actively growing. This will allow the grass to recover quicker from the renovation process. So these are just a few of my tips for renovating your lawn to keep it looking legendary.